Good morning, superstar, open your eyes. The sun is shining bright in the sky. Stretch your arms, jump out of bed. Time to start the day ahead. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Step, brush your teeth, shine that smile. Make your bed with your own style. Comb your hair, put on your shoes. You've got a world to choose. Though you're ready or steady or feeling alright, let's make today so bright. Yeah, eat your breakfast nice and slow. Yummy fuel to help you grow. A bite of fruit, a sip of milk. You're strong and smooth like silk. To pack your bag, don't forget your books, your lunch. You're all set, say bye-bye, and off you go to school to learn to glow. Step, brush your teeth, shine that smile. Make your bed with your own style. Do your best and you will see how awesome you can be. By you're clever, you're kind and shining bright. You're making things just right. Za-ga-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Clap your hands, you're the captain, take a stand. Clean your room, make it neat. Tap your shoes to the beat. Help at home, it's fun to do, 'cause the world shines brighter with you. But when the stars begin to play, you've done your best all day. Wash your face, your dreams await. Close your eyes, it's getting